Model building with QuB. In this video, we'll build a model of a single ion channel and simulate the current that it lets through. Let's start up QuB and look at the model window. If it's not on screen, you can make it show up by going to View, Model. The window can be dragged into any part of the screen you like and rearranged, and if you make a mistake, you can always interface, restore interface defaults. Once again, I'll make the model window appear by going to View, Model, and I'll drag it into the place I like. Here's a model that I've already built. It represents one ion channel. Each box is one conformational state, or shape. The ion channel can change directly from shape 1 to shape 2, so those two states are connected with arrows. Likewise, states 2 and 3. The arrow between states 1 and 2 is labeled 60. This is the mass action rate constant. It means that for every second spent in state 1, the molecule changes to state 2 about 60 times. Or in other words, every time it goes into state 1, it spends about 1/60th of a second on average, then leaves for state 2. Typically, we can't tell all of the states apart by measurement. States 1 and 2 are both black because they conduct zero current. State 3 is the only open or conducting state. Anytime you have a model in QuB, you can simulate using the Simulate button. Here's some simulated data where closed or baseline data is down and open is up. For the rest of this video, we'll build this model from scratch and redo the simulation. So to start, let's close the existing model file and data file and use the File menu to create a new model. It asks where to save it. OK. Next, I'll add state 3 by left-clicking into the background. To connect it to state 2, I'll click with the right button into state 3, and while I'm still holding down the right button, drag upwards toward state 2, then let go. To fix the colors and conductance, right-click a state and choose Properties. State 2 should be black or closed. 0 picoamps is correct. OK. State 3, Properties, should be red, class 2, open, and we'll accept the default of 1 picoamp. OK. To edit the rate constants, double-click one of them. This was supposed to be 60 per second. To edit other rate constants, click on them from this screen. For now, we'll just edit K0. We'll cover K1, P, and Q in a later video when we talk about stimulus. OK. Now I'll save the changes using the File menu. And we're ready to simulate. For now, we'll left-click Simulate, accept all of the default options, and press OK. In the next video, we'll explore your simulation options in more depth.